Thank you for tuning into RM Bath Body, where your body will thank you. I want to introduce a package that I just put together. I constantly saw it being packaged together by clients, and I figured I would just make it easy for you guys and put it together in a kit. So I call it the Obsession Kit. The Obsession Kit actually has one full-size Punani gum. It has one full-size needle eye. It has one full-size needle eye glue, and it has one full-size Sweetest Thyme. Now, quick introduction into these products if this is your first time meeting them. So the needle eye glue is an herbal organic lubricant. You insert it into your vagina 30 minutes prior to intercourse. The needle eye pill is actually a vaginal insert that is used for tightening. Now, together is how they are usually paired, and that's the needle eye kit. So the needle eye pill can also be used as a vaginal detox. 3 days after insertion, it will exude maybe yeast, or what it will essentially do is balance your pH. So you're getting a full-size needle eye glue, needle eye pill. These can be used together. Now, the Sweetest Thyme, which is a vaginal insert, which is a sweetener, you can use alone or you can use with your needle eye glue. Delegating a lot of things here. So you can use this by itself. It becomes a lubricant. You insert one into your vagina, and then it will dissolve, and it will make your secretions taste like honey. So this is great for cunnilingus. Now, the Punani gun can be used in any conjunction with all of the products. This is something that you actually drink, and the instructions are actually on the bottle. This will stay into your system about 1 to 2 weeks. It's completely organic. It's actually a elixir that is boiled to help you produce your pheromones, help you produce vaginal secretions to make you taste sweet, to get you in the mood. It's a mood booster, and you can also give it to your mate. So this you can have at all times. If you're planning to have intercourse, if you just like the taste and you want to be, you know, a little sensual at all times, this is a great product for you. So you can take this at all times in conjunction with the other products. Now, you can use the Sweetest Thyme by itself, or you can add a little of the needle eye glue, but I suggest you use the Sweetest Thyme by itself, as it's a sweetener for a garnish for cunnilingus. So you can use that by itself, and it's also a lubricant. Now, you can also use the needle eye pill by itself as just a detox if that's what you want. So with all 4 products, you're getting a mixture of lubricants, sweeteners, tighteners all together. So you can mix and match them the way that you want to. You can use one time, you can use one another time. You can actually manage to use all of them. I have clients who actually use the glue and the Sweetest Thyme, and maybe like on the second day of their needle eye pill, they can actually use it, because the tightening effect of the needle eye pill actually lasts for about 2 days. So that is your instructional guide on the Obsession. Thank you for watching.